Huawei P50 series launched with 200x camera zoom, but no 5G support. Huawei recently launched the Huawei P50 series in China. The new series includes the Huawei P50 and the P50 Pro. Focusing on the camera performance, the new phones feature impressive camera setups along with distinctive design. However, neither of the phones support 5G. The P50 Pro has a 6.6-inch 120Hz OLED screen with a curved display panel. The phone is powered by either the Kirin 9000 processor or the Qualcomm Snapdragon 888's 4G variant. You get up to 12GB RAM on the Kirin variant and 8GB on the Snapdragon variant. The phone also features a 4,360 mAh battery and 66 watts fast charging support. It comes with Huawei's Harmony OS 2. There are two large circular modules on the back of the phone that house multiple lenses inside them. This includes a 50MP main camera with Huawei optical image stabilization, a 40MP monochrome camera, a 13MP ultra-wide camera and a 64MP telephoto camera. Huawei claims that the telephoto sensor can zoom up to 200x, but it is not clear what level of optical zoom is supported. The phone also boasts of software enhancements for its zoomed and night mode pictures. These include an XD optics system for more details, a true chrome image engine for better color accuracy and Super HDR for improved dynamic range. There is also a Pro stabilization feature that lets you shoot stable 4K video. The Huawei P50, meanwhile, ships with a 50MP main camera, 13MP ultra-wide camera, 12MP telephoto camera, a 6.5-inch screen and 90Hz refresh rate. It also gets a smaller 4,110 mAh battery and Harmony OS 2. This variant is available with only the Snapdragon 888 4G variant. The lack of 5G in both the phones is both surprising and disappointing, given that the devices have launched with flagship specifications amidst the onset of 5G. They also come with a price tag that starts at $927, about 68,900 rupees, for the P50 Pro and $695, about 51,700 rupees, for the P50, prices at which a flagship phone should have 5G support. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.